Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to make a coloring book using Canva so you can create your own masterpiece. So here, as you can see, I have my Canva and make sure that you have logged into your account. And then once you're here, just have to click on this create design option and then just go to the custom size. So for this one, I am using a 1410 by 2250. So you just have to copy this one if you want to, or you can also create your size. So just have to click on create a new design. Then as you can see, this would be the size of our coloring book. So the first thing that you should do is to add a cover page for your coloring book. So I am going to type out right here for my cover animals, children, or it can also be specific with yours. So I'm going to go with children book covers. So since I'll be focusing on the animals that are on the zoo, so I'm just going to select this one. So for the safari animals. So you can also add some elements right here if you want to, like for example, birds, peacock, or you can also remove some of the elements right here. So now that you have your cover page for your coloring book, the next thing that you should do is to add a new page. Okay, so just scroll down and click on this add page option. And then right here, just have to click on the page and make sure to change the color of the page to white. So just click on it and go to the color section and then select the white color to change the color of the background. Okay, so now let's begin adding animals right here. So what you're going to do is you have to go to the element section. Okay, then right here at the top, you have to search for a specific animals and you have to add a black and white after the name of the animals. For example, lion, black and white, and then go to the graphics section and then you'd be able to see here different options. So you've got the pro features or the free features here on Canva. So since I'm using a pro plan, I'm going to select this one, or this one is for pro plan. So if you're subscribed to the pro plan, so you can access this one. Okay, so now just have to resize the animal. Okay, so just make sure that it will not overlap on the page. So after that is you have to add the name for this animal. So since this is lion, so the next thing that you should do is to go to the text section and then add a heading, and then you have to type out the name of that animal. And then place here at the top left side corner of your screen. And then you can also change the font style for the name of your animal. Okay, so maybe I'm going to use this. Then just have to resize this one or change the color. But I suggest just have to use the color black for the name of your animal. Okay, now let's add a new page. And the next animals that we are going to add is a tiger. So just click on add page and then go to the element section. Then using the search bar is you just have to type out tiger, black and white. And then go to the graphics section. And you'll be able to see this different options right here. So you just have to choose what you think the best for this page. So I think this one is better and challenging. Okay, so you just have to resize it and then just have to go back to your first page and then copy the text or the name of this one and then just paste it right here on the second page. Then just have to change the name. Okay, so just type it right here, tiger. Okay, now let's add our next animal. So just click on add page. And then the next animal would be an elephant, I think. Okay, so just have to type out elephant, black and white. So make sure not to forget the black and white so you can be specific with what you're looking for. and go to the graphics section and choose the best graphics for this animal. So I think this one is better. So I'm just going to resize this one and add the name for this animal. So you just have to do the same. Just go back to the second page or first page and you have to copy the name. Okay. And then go back to your page and paste it right here at the top right hand corner. I mean, in the top left hand corner of your screen, and then rename this text. So now that we already have three animals for the safari animals, I'm going to add the fourth animal. So just click on the add page once again and then search for giraffe. So giraffe black and white. And then go to the graphics section. Then make sure to choose the best animal for this page. So maybe this one is better. Then just have to resize the element and then add the name for this animal. So you just have to do the same. Just go back to the first page, second page, or third page, and then just copy the format of the name. Just click on copy and then paste it right here and then put it above. So here at the top left side corner of our screen and then rename this. So I'm just going to type out giraffe. So make sure that the spellings are correct. Okay, and then for the last page, maybe I am going to add a zebra. Okay, so since the color of zebra is black and white, so we're still going to add it right here. Okay, so just click on add page and then go to the elements and then type out the name of that specific animal along with the black and white text. Okay, and then just choose to best zebra black and white graphics right here. So I think this one is better. And then just have to resize it. Okay, and then after that, you just have to rename or add a name for this animal. So just go back right here. Then just have to copy the format for the name and then paste here on your page. Okay, so just click and paste and then clear the text to rename this animal. So just type out zebra. Okay. And as you can see, we have created our coloring book for the safari animals. But of course, you can also change the title of the cover page. So just click on it. Then maybe I am going to name this one as the zoo. Okay, so you don't have to be specific with the animals word since it is very obvious that this book is for animals. You just have to duplicate this one and then right here maybe I'm going to type out zoo and I'm going to change the font style of this one. Just go to the font style section and then select your font. Okay, I think this one is better. Then if you want to add more elements, so you can do that. Okay, so let's not just focus on the land animals, but also for the flying animals. So here, just go to the element section, and then I'm going to type it right here, birds, and then go to the graphics section and choose the best image for this cover page. Okay, so I think this one is better. So I'm just going to add it right here above. Okay, and then I'm going to rearrange the title. And then for the last animal, maybe I'm going to add a peacock. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down. Then I think this one is better. Okay, I'm going to add it right here and then I'm just going to resize it. So you can play with your cover page. So you just have to make sure that all of the animals are visible. Okay, so as you can see, we have created a very nice cover page for children for their coloring book. Then after that, you will then just have to click on the share option at the top right hand corner of your screen and click on download. And for the file type, make sure to choose the PDF print and then go to the all pages right here and then make sure that you have selected all of the pages and then just click on download. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.